Here, the goal is to build a clean portfolio layout that highlights work, not effects. Start with a neutral canvas size, suitable for screens or print. Portfolio design is about consistency. Use the frame tool to create evenly spaced image holders. Each frame represents a project preview. Insert images into the frames. Everything aligns automatically, keeping the layout calm and balanced. Adjust image positioning inside frames to maintain visual harmony. Avoid forcing images to fit unnaturally. If you update your work later, replace images without redesigning the layout. This saves time and keeps the portfolio consistent. Strong portfolios